Our video for today is about Google Assistant to Android TV setup. Hi, welcome to Online Whatever Guide, where we do video tutorials and reviews of websites, applications, gadgets, and more. In our first video, I talk about the initial setup that are very important to maximize your Android TV features. But if, for some reason, Google Assistant is still not working or still not responding back to you, like this.
Okay, Google, what can you do?
You can ask me things like,
Play some music.
play Master of None.
Youngtown, population biz.
Show me other TV shows set in New York.
Tell me about the third one.
Here's some information about Luke Cage.
Open Netflix.
Then, follow the steps that I will mention. Number 1. Check your broadband or Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have internet connection. Number 2. Go to Settings and look for Accounts and Sign In. You should be able to find your linked Google account here. If there is already a linked account, then go to Device Preference and look for Google Assistant. Check if it is turned on. But if you didn't find any linked Google account, proceed to Step 3. Step 3. Link Google account or use your mobile number. Use account and sign in. Choose account type as Google, sign in, and don't skip. Then, choose which one you'd like to use for linking. You'll have two options. 1. Link using your phone or computer. 2. Use your remote. For this, choose Use your remote. Sign in and enter your password. Step 4. Accept the confirmation in your phone or email. Yes, there is a confirmation notification to the phone or email you use. Then, you should be able to see your link account in your Android TV. Then voila, your Android TV with built-in voice assistant is now ready to take your commands. Thank you for watching Online Whatever Guide. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos.